We are a technology company. We provide managed services to medium-sized businesses. We have an emphasis on the medical community as well as the manufacturing community. Our solutions are all-encompassing across the board, the entire technology spectrum. We even develop software. A lot of our success is due to the gold standards. We're able to make repairs fast and accurate. When bad things happen to our customers, we're there without them asking for us to be there. We're always watching them, and so when we see something's going on, we proactively get ourselves involved and don't wait for them to call us and tell us that there's a problem going on. The question always was the same: how do we help you to succeed in this particular industry?
MMI is a manufacturing and fabrication shop. Our primary business is the oil and gas industry. Having IT up and running on a continual basis is very essential to our business flow. If our communications go down, everything comes to a standstill.
We met them 8 or 9 years ago, and it's been a wonderful relationship. Initially, they were very much like a lot of other companies, doing a lot of things by hand. We've provided all kinds of automation through a system of technologies that we've implemented for them.
DSTech gives us the ability to continue doing what we do while they're taking care of stuff behind the scenes.
They have a lot of very interesting manufacturing equipment. They have embedded computer systems in them, and our background in engineering and computer science, we jump on those kinds of opportunities.
What separates DSTech from other companies that we used in the past is I love their responsiveness.
What DSTech's going to do for you is take all of your worries away from these things that are not your strong points, and they love that, being able to get back to the meat and potatoes of what you provide to your customers.
I consider it to be a real partnership. They're family oriented, they're caring. I feel like they really do care about our success, because if we're successful, they're successful.
A lot of people treat IT as a commodity rather than the partnership that we see it as. And so we approach all of our customers from the perspective of we want to treat them just like we want to be treated. I think it really is a big separator for us.
DSTech takes ownership of everything they do. We couldn't do our jobs without them.